Really thrilled to be here. It's been a dream, and it's not just about the 18 days we were out at sea. This is something that goes back 5 years. It came from concept to design to actually building the ship, then testing it, and then of course the voyage itself. The last 18 days has been absolutely quite a journey, and the ship behaved itself very well. I think people underestimate the technologies used by ancient Indians and ancient mariners. So let me say that a lot of people have made this happen. There's obviously the encouragement of the Honorable Prime Minister, without which this wouldn't even have started. Support from the Ministry of Culture that financed this project to put it together. The Indian Navy, which obviously both supervised the building of it and then crewed it for this voyage. There were others, Ministry of External Affairs, Ministry of Shipping. So a lot of people who made it come together. And of course we brought on board traditional shipwright Babu Sankaran and his team. And of course the amazing crew that sailed it, led by Commander Vikas Sheron and the expedition chief Hemant, who incidentally was also involved in the designing of the ship as well.
परम आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को मैंने विशेष रूप से धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं, क्योंकि किसी का मन में इन चीजों का कोई ये नहीं था, लेकिन परम आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा कि अपने विरासत को कम से कम हमारी नई पीढ़ी जाने, दुनिया जाने कि हिंदुस्तान हजारों साल पहले से ही मैरीटाइम सामुद्रिक ये जो यात्रा हो, सामुद्रिक व्यापार हो और सामुद्रिक जो हमारी इंडस्ट्री हो, इस विषय पर हमेशा हिंदुस्तान पहला स्थान में रहे। तो इसलिए सदियों से हमारी जो भी विरासत है, हमारी इतिहास है, इस इतिहास और विरासत को हमें बढ़ावा देने के लिए निश्चित रूप से ऐसा ही एग्जाम्पलरी इनिशिएटिव लेना होगा। तो आज परम आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी की कुशल नेतृत्व ने, उनके विजन ने आज ऐसा एक सफर संभव की है, यात्रा संभव की है, जिसके वजह से हम दोनों देश का रिश्ता और भी मजबूत हुई है।